be taking a mental health day today by myself. Today, July 21st. Happy birthday, Brittany! That's my mother. I'm not gonna cuss, but that is my girl right there. Happy birthday. I hope you are taking a mental health day, and I hope you are disconnecting as well. This month, January, I don't know if it's for everyone, but it is for everyone around me. It's just been a very weird month. A lot of emotions, a lot of sadness, a lot of... I am a healer, and I tend to absorb a lot of people's energy. And I love that. That's who I am. That's a gift. I love being a nurturer. I love being a healer. I like to go to the mountains, somewhere with nature, and just release everyone's energy, including myself, out, cleanse, and then restore. So I'm really looking forward to this. Oh yeah, far away.
Oh my god, that was next. He was my friend in 20 September.
Aww.
And then I
It's okay. Tiger eye. My first pendulum ever. Tiger eye means controlling your emotions, which is very important. And then it's crazy because the one that we had before, just, it's right there. So I definitely believe in these things. So if we're not good within, then how can we be good for others? It all starts within yourself. Loving yourself. How can you love others if you don't love yourself? Trusting, being happy, being worthy, you know. Being strong. How can you be strong for others if you can't be strong for yourself? You know, it all starts within you. So I want everyone to be able to find who they are. It's the rebirth year. I want everyone to find the universe within themselves, because it's very important. We have energy. We are made up energy. We are the universe within ourselves. So let's tap in and let's find who we are as a person. You know, the unknown is so beautiful. You are beautiful. And the purpose of life is finding out who you are. What you are. What will you be? That's the main focus in life. It's not about the money. It's not about the materialistic stuff. It's about the accomplishments, the growing, the healing, the learning. That is what's going to make you and help you find out who you are as a person. Because if life was so simple and was so easy, this world would be so bland. Nobody would really truly know who they are as a person. Let's just say that. But man, the struggles define you. The healing makes you. Don't allow it to break you. Let it make you. Become stronger than who you are yesterday. And that's a little bit about mental health for right now. It's kind of getting cold in here. Let's become the change. Butterfly. Transformation. Rebirth. Love you. Love yourself. Because you are loved.
I can't think. I told you guys, when I'm cold, I cannot think. I forgot you guys were still here. I told you guys. But, you know, the sun. Now it's time to go skating to the skating rink. Oh, I almost fucking tripped. Did anybody see that?